In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO for your GoDaddy website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to website optimization or just looking for a quick guide to get your site ranking higher, this tutorial will walk you through the process with ease. First, let's start by opening your preferred browser and typing in GoDaddy in the search bar. When the website loads, you'll need to log in. You can do this using an email address, your Facebook account, or Google credentials. Make sure you have those handy so you can quickly access your account without any delays. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find your website under the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is where all your GoDaddy managed websites are listed. Look for the website you want to optimize and select Manage next to it. This takes you to your website's dashboard, which is the control center for everything website related. On the dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the side. Find the Marketing option and click to expand it. Here, you should see an option labeled SEO. As you can guess, this is where the magic happens. Click on it and prepare to embark on your SEO journey. Now, you're presented with the SEO Wizard, which is a handy tool provided by GoDaddy to streamline the optimization process. Click Start to launch the wizard. This feature will guide you through each step necessary to boost your website's SEO effectively. As you progress through the wizard, you'll be guided through essential tasks such as keyword research. Good keywords help potential visitors find your site more easily through search engines. You'll also work on updating your page titles and descriptions, crucial elements that help search engines understand what each page of your site is about. Additionally, the wizard will assist you in optimizing your content, ensuring that it aligns well with your chosen keywords and is relevant to what your audience is searching for. It's important to take your time here and follow each suggestion carefully. The tweaks made during this process can significantly enhance your website's visibility on search engines. Once you've gone through all the steps in the wizard, it doesn't end there. Before any changes are finalized and visible to the public, you have the opportunity to review the suggested changes. This step is crucial, as it allows you to double-check everything and make sure it aligns with your website's goals and branding. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the changes, you'll need to publish them. Remember, the changes won't be live until you hit that Publish button. And there you have it. A freshly optimized GoDaddy website ready to climb up the search engine rankings. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.